Hi! Today we're gonna add a possibility to play an animation and go back to an idle state automatically. Let's start with creating a new scriptable object, animation data. Let's give it a name, player use. We have only one sprite prepared for that, so let's use size 1 and find the sprite. It's number 3. Now let's add some frames of gap, let's say 20, and let me show you something. Go to animation data, and here let's add a new boolean called return to base. As you may guess, we want to be able to play a given animation, and then as it ends we want to play a base animation. In play animation coroutine we will need to add a new if statement. There we check if our data.returnToBase is true. And if yes, we will play base animation. It's worth to note, if we leave it as this, we will create an endless loop, because as we play this base animation, at the end of it, we will play it again. So let's check if we are currently playing a base animation or not. We want this line to happen only if we are not at base animation. Now in this player use animation we need to check return to base. After we come close to an object we want to stop and wait a little bit and finally pick the item up or do something else like showing a hint. That's why we need to move those lines all the way up, just as we start doing anything useful in this coroutine. And we need to wait a little bit with yield return new wait for seconds. And then if we can get an item, we will play our use animation. And first we need to grab it. As you remember, in the game manager we have an array of player animations, and that's a perfect place for our player use animation. So let's grab this player use animation and put it in this array in Unity. And now we are ready to use it in update scene after action in the click manager. We'll use game manager .play animations and number 2, which is our element 2 in this array. And that's how we play use animation. Let's look at it in Unity. We click on this big man and we play use animation, return to base animation, everything is looking fine, they disappear and we can continue playing. But as you can see, this player model is behind this soldier and it looks weird, so let's quickly change this go to point. Now it looks sweet. In the next episode we will make Santa animation. Thanks for watching, have a good day and see you soon!